Empty the box and lay out the pieces on a protected surface. Insert 2 dowel pins in the front leg. Place the front leg flat facing down, then align the hole of the back leg with the corresponding hole of the front leg. Slide a split locking washer followed by a washer onto each screw. Attach the back leg to the front leg using 1 screw. Use the Allen key to screw into the front leg's threaded insert. Put the legs upside down on the seat cushion and align the holes of the legs with the corresponding holes of the seat cushion. Attach the legs to the seat cushion using 8 screws. Screw into the seat cushion's threaded inserts. Use the Allen key to tighten the screws. Flip the chair in its upright position and enjoy your Ushi Dining Chairs.